Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's maths tutorial, we are going to find the solution to this exponential equation. It's a simple exponential equation and so we can easily find the solution to it, but it's tactical and logical. We are asked to solve for x if x to the power of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 36. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload my latest Maths Olympiad content. Now to solve this question, you come to notice that this equation, the left hand side have a power, so we are going to also make this a power have an exponent too. If we do that, we are going to have x to the power of x to the power of 3 to be equal to 6 to the power of 2, because 6 times 6 will give us 36. So what do we do next? The next thing we need to do is to multiply the both sides with the power of 3. If we do that, we're going to have x to the power of x to the power of 3 all multiplied by the power of 3, and this will be equal to 6 squared multiplied by the power of 3. Now, if we simplify the right hand side, we are going to have x to the power of x to the power of 3 all to the power of 3 equal to 6 to the power of 6, right? Good. Now, according to one law of indices, remember the law of indices, if we have a to the power of x all to the power of y, this can still be equal to a to the power of y all to the power of x, and remember both can still be equal to a to the power of xy. So if we apply this here, we are going to see that this whole value will now become x to the power of 3, right, all to the power of x to the power of 3, and this will be equal to 6 to the power of 6. So what have you noticed from this equation? From this equation, you notice that the base is equal to the base and the power is equal to the power. So that tells us that x to the power of 3 is equal to 6. Now, how do we find the value of x? Remember, the question says we should solve for x. Now, if x to the power of 3 is equal to 6, what we can simply do is to take the cube root of both sides. Taking the cube root of both sides would destroy the power 3, and that is exactly what we'll do. So if we take the cube root of both sides, we'll have x to the power of this, right? This will be equal to plus or minus the cube root of 6. So this will clear this, and then we'll have our x to be equal to plus or minus the cube root of 6. And remember, according to the law of indices, we'll have this cube root of 6 can be equal to 6 to the power of what? 1 divided by 3. So that means our x value will be equal to plus or minus 6 to the power of 1 divided by what? 3. So if we look at this solution, we are going to take the positive side of this solution, 6 to the power of 1 divided by 3. Now let's find out if this solution is absolutely correct. We're going to input it into the initial equation. And let's input it to the initial equation. Remember the initial equation, we are told that x to the power of x to the power of 3 should give us what? 36. Now, will this whole value give us 36? Let's find out. We have x to the power of 6, which is 6 to the power of 1 divided by 3, all to the bracket of 6 to the power of 1 divided by 3, all to the bracket of what? All to the bracket of 3. In this case, 3 will clear 3, and this will give us 6 to the bracket of 1 divided by 3, all to the power of 6. 3 will give us 1, 3 will give us here 2, and this will give us what? The final solution will have 6 to the power of 2. 6 to the power of 2 will give us what? 36. So that tells us that our x value, which is the positive side of 6 to the power of 1 divided by 3, or the cube root of what? Of 6, is the solution to that exponential equation. Now, if you check that question very well, you're going to find out that our solution is perfectly correct, because if we put the value of x into that expression, we are going to finally get 36. This is all I have for you for today. I know you do enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and also remember to subscribe to my channel before leaving this channel, so as to get notified whenever I upload my new Maths Olympiad simplified content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.